If you were looking to capture cinematic aerial shots, explore photography from the sky, or simply enjoy flying a professional drone in 2026, then this video is for you. Drones have become more advanced than ever with features like GPS positioning, 4K and even 8K cameras, 3-axis gimbals, obstacle avoidance, and long-range FPV transmission. So in this video, I will break down the top 5 best drones available on AliExpress in 2026 based on camera quality, flight stability, range, smart features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 2026 new S119 GPS Drone, 8K dual camera. We start with one of the most heavily advertised drones, the S119 GPS Drone. This drone is marketed as a professional 8K dual camera drone with brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and foldable design. It also includes Wi-Fi FPV support for real-time video transmission. In real usage, this drone is designed more for beginners and intermediate users who want advanced features in a compact form. The GPS stabilization helps keep the drone steady during flight, especially in outdoor environments. However, like most drones in this category, the 8K label is usually marketing-based rather than true native 8K recording. Pros: easy to fly with GPS assistance, stable hover performance, good entry-level professional features, foldable and portable design. Best for beginners who want an entry-level feature-packed drone at an affordable price. Number 2. YLRC S119 GPS Drone, 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K dual camera, and long 6-kilometer transmission range. Next is the YLRC S119, which is a more stable and advanced option compared to entry-level drones. It comes with a 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K dual camera setup, and a long 6-kilometer transmission range, making it suitable for more serious aerial photography. This drone provides much smoother video compared to basic models due to the 3-axis gimbal, which helps reduce shaking and vibration during flight. The long transmission range also allows more freedom for aerial exploration. Pros: very stable video recording, long 6-kilometer control range, good obstacle avoidance system, premium controller experience. Best for users who want stable aerial footage and semi-professional performance. Number 3. S155 MAX GPS Drone, 2.7K dual camera, 3-axis gimbal, and 3-kilometer FPV range with a built-in 7.2-inch screen controller. This drone is very beginner-friendly due to its dedicated screen controller, which removes the need for a smartphone. Flight stability is solid, and GPS positioning helps maintain accurate hovering. Pros: built-in screen controller, stable flight with GPS support, easy to operate, and good for beginners and hobbyists. Best for beginners who want a simple and all-in-one flying experience. Number 4. AE60 Ultra Professional GPS Drone, 8K, 12-kilometer range, and advanced obstacle avoidance. Now we move into the premium category with the AE60 Ultra Drone. This model claims professional-level features including 8K HD camera support, 3-axis gimbal, 12-kilometer range, and advanced obstacle avoidance. It is also marketed for aerial photography, fishing, and industrial-style drone use. This drone is designed for long-range flying and advanced aerial work. The stability and range make it suitable for users who want to capture wide landscapes or perform specialized drone tasks. However, like other 8K drones in this price segment, the camera resolution may not be true native 8K. Pros: extremely long range, advanced feature set, strong flight stability, suitable for professional-style use. Best for advanced users who want long-range professional drone capabilities. Number 5. ZLL SG909 MAX GPS Drone, 4K 3-axis gimbal. Finally, we have the ZLL 6099 MAX GPS Drone, 4K 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance, and touchscreen FPV controller. This drone provides a more realistic balance between camera quality and flight performance. The 4K camera with a gimbal produces smoother footage compared to interpolated 8K models. Pros: more realistic 4K output, stable flight performance, good build quality, user-friendly controls. Best all-round drone for users who want balanced performance and reliable footage. To quickly summarize, best beginner drone is S119 GPS Drone. Best mid-range stability drone is YLRC S819. Best beginner-friendly screen controller drone is S155 MAX. Best long-range professional drone is AE60 Ultra. Best all-round drone is ZLL6099 MAX. That was the list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. The right drone depends on your purpose. If you are a beginner, start with simple GPS models. If you want professional aerial footage, focus on gimbal stabilization and real camera quality rather than just 8K labels. Always check stability, flight time, and real-world reviews before buying. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which drone you want me to review next. Thanks for watching.